Hi everyone, we're in Crianlarich right now, but we're not staying in Crianlarich. No, we're going to the Falls of Falloch, but then we're going to have lunch after that. I don't know where yet, but then we're going to come back here and I'm going to take you on a wee walk. So a bit of everything today, but I hope you enjoy it. Falls of Falloch. Let's have a wee explore. So we can actually swim here. I'll tell you in the next clip. That's the falls right there. And I thought it was about half a kilometre to get there. They're actually right there. Let's see if we can get a better viewpoint than that. I wouldn't touch that fence. Wow. Oh, it's almost slipped. Right, we'll go down here. Yeah. I have no idea where we are. This is absolutely beautiful. A waterfall up there, what we're going to go to in a minute. I hope you can hear me. Time to head back up. I'm going to go off camera for a bit, so I'll see you soon. I've just taken a wee picture. Why am I still recording? Get ready to see this. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. That waterfall is so cool. In fact, we just met a lovely man there who took our photos at the falls. Oh, what's this? A wee viewing point. It looks like a jungle house. Wow. This is more like it. You know it's a wee bit scary when you walk on these because look at the holes. just talking to the camera. A little scary when you walk in the hole, but when you don't think of it, it's fine. That is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot stop being here. It's so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. I love these teeny tiny rivers. They're my favourite. The teeny mini waterfalls. Beautiful. I think we'll head back to the car now, but stay tuned because this is only the start of our adventure. We're going to head up to Tyndrum just now to get some lunch at the Green Welly. It's meant to be a great restaurant. I've heard lots of good things about it. So let's see if it's really good as they say, or if it's just to go there. And then we're going to explore Crianlarich as well. Sorry, my cheeks are getting like goosebumps. Well, because I'm so excited. Beautiful place this is. Ever get the chance, come to the Falls of Falloch. Drive's beautiful, walk's beautiful, and it's well worth everything, every moment. So beautiful. Back at the car all too soon. But I've still got to drive through Crianlarich and up to Tyndrum. Back in the car all too soon. Whew. So time to head to the Green Welly. Here's something I'm going to say what I forgot to say in the video. It's a fact about the Falls of Falloch. So, you know Loch Lomond? I visited there a couple of times on my channel. Loch Lomond gets thinner the norther you go. So the norther you go of Loch Lomond, it gets thinner. But then the Loch Lomond turns into a river. And then the river is where the Falls of Falloch is. So the river at the Falls of Falloch, that's actually joined into Loch Lomond. So if you walk south, you eventually see Loch Lomond. It's so beautiful, the Falls of Falloch, that you forget you're only like 5 miles north of Loch Lomond. But anyway, it was a beautiful drive, every single bit of it. Now I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the drive. Here we are at the Green Welly, Tyndrum. It's busy here. Ooh. Nice shot. Alright, let's see what's on the menu. Nothing I like in the restaurant, but there's a restaurant about 200 metres from here, which is good, so we can just walk over. That is so tempting. Look what I got.
You want some strawberry? Pick some.
Yeah, absolutely. Ooh, what should I get? got lots of souvenirs in here, but this is a great shop. I didn't even realise. I thought it was just a restaurant at first, but then when I came here I was like, oh, there's a shop here. Oh look, some big ducks. Oh look, my friend's name, Molly. This is where all the food is. Wow. I will not drink that. Yeah. Oh wow. There's loads of cups in here. Oh look, there's a wee timer. A wee egg timer thing. Oh man. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
You want one with Tyndrum in it then?
Yeah, hopefully there is one. We'll have to see. Nothing.
No.
Right, let's see what's in here. Oh, these seats are so comfy. These seats are so comfortable. Lunchtime. That was a great restaurant. The only downside of it was the toilets. Oh man, wasn't good. See the sign back there. Yeah, we're 5 miles away from Crianlarich, and that's where we're going next. Tyndrum, what do I think of it? Okay, I like it. It's beautiful. Nice wee place. Now we're going down to Crianlarich. We'll have a wee walk there and head home. So stay tuned. Yeah. Going to take you to the train station. So this is Crianlarich. This is where we are just now. And the community walk somewhere, but that's the train station right there.
The west side of me, look.
Oh yeah. Let's keep going. The only shop in town.
Stick to this side.
Yeah. Money over there.
Look at the thing.
Yeah, can you see the train? Yellow. Look at the train. You've probably seen this train station on my channel before. That was one of my earliest videos. I took you a tour about the station. But there's a train up there just now. It's a very old one, so let's go and see it. Station information. Stand back a wee bit so you can see it. Man, that is cool. And it's going towards Glasgow. I think, I don't know. Glasgow, Fort William. Are we going to Glasgow? Wow, this is amazing, and you might even see it split. I have no idea where it's going, but I think it's going to split. I'm not sure though. We'll walk up here maybe.
Stand there a wee minute.
This is the best day ever. Sitting on a train for 5 hours from Glasgow to Malay. I'd love to do that. Hey, should we sneakily step aboard the train? I'm kidding. I was kidding. Got a yellow thing as well. Oh, look at the bus over there. Go in a wee minute. Off to Malay, I believe. I have no idea where it's going. But it does say on that sign, go that platform for Malay. So I think it's going to Malay. Go in a wee minute. Have to see. Bye, train. I think it did split because that's the one that to open. I think.
coffee first.
Yeah. Not taking you on any trains today, but I showed you 3 different trains. Well, 2 different trains, but you know what I mean. Yeah. So the first ScotRail at the party was going to Mallaig. I've got a video on Mallaig in case if you want to see that. And then the other one is going to Oban. I'd like to go to Oban. I might take you next year, hopefully. So no, I'm not going to take you on any trains today, but I think I might. But I'm going to take you on some trains, hopefully next year. Oh man, I didn't even realise how dusty my hand was. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. It's a wee bit different, like I've been to like 3 different places in the one. But I hope you enjoyed it. And we finished where we started. So thanks so much for watching. And of course, take care, stay safe, be good. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And then I will see you soon. Bye bye. Been a great wee day actually. The station is a big difference to me actually. That's my favourite thing to do in Crianlarich. Anyway, see you soon.